I do a lot of shipping of small items mostly in my house, and generally I'll buy whatever packing tape makes the most sense at the time. But the last time I got the 12 pack of this Grizzly tape, and I really, really like it. I don't have any breakage on it, nothing like that. It pulls off great, works in all of my different dispensers. You can see it fits perfectly in this particular tape dispenser I have right in here. It holds that nice grip on it, and it just fits perfectly in there. Tears off fantastic. It also fits perfectly on my old regular style tape gun right here. When we pull this stuff off, I have absolutely no issues at all with it. It doesn't break in the middle, which is always a big concern. Tears off great. It holds great. It's easy to work with. As you can see, it's the standard sized packing tape that we're all used to using in tape guns and tape dispensers. The roll size lasts me a very long time, particularly in the pack size that I get it in. I think it's fantastic. It works great. Doesn't tear on me. No resetting, no redoing packages over and over again. If you're looking for some trouble-free packing tape, at least in my case, check out this Grizzly tape. It's pretty awesome.